नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सारा सच क्लासेस में। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व वन प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम टेस्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एट 10+2 लेवल विच इज़ वेरी वेल नोन बाय टोमेटो। ये जो बुक है ये पब्लिश किया जाता है फ्रॉम I.S.I टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स इन देयर प्रिपरेशन फॉर एंट्रेंसेस। तो आइए देखते हैं कि इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है। For the following function f, we are to study its derivatives and use them to sketch its graph on the paper. And the function is fx equals to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 for all x not equals to minus 1, 1। तो आइए इसका सल्यूशन करने की कोशिश करते हैं। fx is equals to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Then we have to reduce it, therefore in the denominator we get x square minus 1, and in the numerator we get x minus 1 whole square plus x plus 1 whole square, which results in x square minus 2x plus 1 plus x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Okay, so 2x cancels out, we get 2 into x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Okay, now we can write the numerator in this way, that is 2 into x square minus 1 plus 4 divided by x square minus 1, which results in 2 plus 4 divided by x square minus 1. Now f prime x will be minus 8x divided by x square minus 1 whole square. Therefore we can say that whenever x is minus infinity to minus 1, the slope is positive. Okay, and when x is minus 1 to 0, the slope is also positive. Whenever x is 0 to 1, then the slope is negative, and whenever x is 1 to infinity, the slope is also negative. Okay, now to draw the diagram, first we are to write the different values for x and correspondingly for y. For x equals to minus 3, minus 2, 0, minus half, plus half, and 3, we get values of x as 2.5, 3 and a 1/3, minus 2, 3 and a 1/3, 3 and a 1/3, and 2.5. Okay, now we have to draw the diagram. So this is the required coordinate axis with minus 1, 0 and 1 on x-axis and 0, 2 and minus 2 on y-axis. Okay, so this is the some lines from 2, 1, minus 1 and minus 2 for our sake of convenience. Now let's check. Whenever x is minus infinity to minus 1, we know that the slope is positive. Therefore, whenever the values are less than minus 1, we can say that less than minus 1, like for minus 2, minus 3, we have values greater than 2 and positive slope. Therefore, the graph looks like this. Okay, that is positive slope and greater than 2. Whenever it is the values of x is in between -1 to 0, like at x equals to 0 minus half, we get values mm, -2 and greater than that. Sorry, -2 and less than that. It is must be -3 and 1/3, and this must be also -3 and 1/3. Therefore, the graph looks like this. Okay, that is positive slope but less than -2. Now, whenever the graph is in between 0 to 1, like for half and 0, we get that the value is also -2, less than -2, but with negative slope. Therefore, the graph looks like this. And for greater than 1, like for x equals to 3, we get value greater than 2. Okay, so it looks like this. That is negative slope but greater than 2. So this is the pictorial representation of the given function. So we have solved this and draw the diagram corresponding to the given function. So that's all for today. And we sort of these classes provide different study materials and mock test series for I.S.I entrances. So you can join us. For further details, you can check our website also, which is www.sorosclasses.com. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.